and welcome to the semi-sea day. Oh dear. Anyway, there's hope. See something there. Good morning. So, I promise it's not a sea day. So if you're watching from yesterday's video, the story of how we had a medical emergency on board and needed to make a U-turn and back to La Palma. Apparently that had a knock-on effect on the time of our arrival in our new destination, Fuerteventura. So, is it Fuerteventura? Fuerteventura. So, we are running a little bit behind schedule. That's why it looks like it's a sea day, but it is not a sea day. But look at that sky. It's beautiful. Now, from the horizon leaflet, it is said that this island, because of its proximity to the Sahara Desert, is guaranteed almost a rain-free zone. So we're not expecting any rain today, except a beautiful warm day. So I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, so we can't wait to hit the land and see what that place looks like, especially for me. How are you keeping? I hope you're keeping well and you're keeping safe. Thank you once again for clicking to watch today's video. You're highly appreciated. And if you like what you see, like, subscribe if you haven't, leave your comment for me. I love to read from you, and share. So we'll have another intro. Hopefully that will see what Fuerteventura looks like. Whatever this name is, you know what I mean. I'll put it on the screen. But I see land inside, so hopefully in 1.5 hours we should be docked. Anyway, see you later. This is what we have. You can see better the land, and we are told it's going to take another 1 hour to approach and probably another 1.5 hours to dock. So we are making progress and the sky is beautiful. All changed and freshened up. Still on our way to Fuerteventura. I hope I don't bite off my tongue trying to pronounce this this name, Fuerteventura. So shortly after I made the previous video, the captain came up on the speakers and did announce that instead of docking in about an hour, about 10:30, which was the previous estimated time from after the emergency yesterday, he did say, apologize and say that because of all of that drama, we won't be getting to dock or port right up till midday. It's currently about 9:30 at the moment, and we are still throttling. Yeah, we can see the island in sight, but it's still a little bit of drama from his explanation to get to port. Absolutely fine by me. So while we're waiting, I said to freshen up, get ready for breakfast, and get the embarkation envelope open. I'm certain I'll be adding that particular clip to the disembarkation information. So stay tuned for the next video, which will be our disembarkation and flyback to UK video. In the meantime, I'm just going to go ahead and make this particular disembarkation video, unraveling the disembarkation information. No. Yep, this is me for breakfast today. I got a special treat from one of the chefs. He came out and saw me trying to flip the runny eggs and said, "Don't worry, I'll make you one specially for you." So yeah, and a cup of tea. This is for later snack. Take this down with us when we go on land, and then we have something to snack on. Feels while you eat. So while we were still enjoying our breakfast, we noticed the pilot boat. Yes, the little speedboat there is the pilot boat. And if you're not aware, the pilot is the specialist in shallow waters. When the big cruise ships come close to porting, the pilot comes on this speedboat on board the cruise to guide the cruise safely to port. So Fuerteventura is for real. It's about to go down. Yes, pilot, thank you. Yeah, so it's very picturesque. Beautiful watching us sporting at Fuerteventura. I have to get that pronunciation right at some point. It's beautiful, and there's a company of another massive cruise ship, Ida Cosma. Ida Cosma. So, music on background. Everyone is curious, watching. Massive. Are we this big? I think this is bigger.
I think we're pretty up.
Are we bigger? Oh my god!
It seems like that.
I think that one's higher, I think.
Oh baby. Gee. How did I think we left this ship in Madeira? It was docked in Madeira as well. The docking here was a spectacle. Oh my god, beautiful, beautiful Fuerteventura docking. We are ready to see what Fuerteventura looks like. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, we go. As we go. Oh, yeah. Ooh. That's nice. Hi. Oh my god, this is like open space, different from any other thing we've seen. And that's our baby girl. No, this is our lady, our gallant lady. So let's see what this walk will be like. Oh, there's something about touching land. There's an excitement, it's an adventure. German versus British. So here we go, another nice walk into town. You don't need any bus transfer if you don't want to. From the port walk, it leads you to this open space, and let's go close to see what the sea is like. Nice and blue. And that's our boats there, our boat ships sizing each other up. Ooh, come on, see. Look at, come. Oh,
Beautiful.
this is their breeding period or something like that. So yeah, some sea life going on there. Let's keep going, 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 going. Come on, let's go. If you choose not to go further, they have nice sitting areas here. You can just chill and watch life happen. Get together. Let's see what is old. Is it dragging a boat? Really nice walkway.
Oh yes, yes, yes.
Oh my god, look at them both.
It is. Oh, absolutely.
From every angle, this looks beautiful. It's like a competition. Azura, Aida. Azura, Aida. That's the, what do you call it again?
Yeah, volcano stone.
Volcano stones, yeah.
Yeah.
Aloe vera is not left out, a hidden gem apparently in the Canaries, and it's made itself very prominent here on the promenade of Fuerteventura. Fresh aloe vera makes the skin pop. There are loads of products around here, so if you happen to be around here, aloe vera might be one of your souvenir. I will just let you enjoy the nice pictorial view with some music.
Look at the tiny one behind us.
It's like a baby. Our sheep is giving birth.
Yes, just good.
Where are the midwives?
Oh.
Honestly, if you really want to get out here, it's so super easy, but you don't want to do all the stress of walking around. Get off the ship, put your footprint on the ground. By just sitting around here, it's beautifully made for just sitting around. And that's your cruise ship. You can be seeing it from wherever you are. The sun is at its peak. They have a whole lot of sea stuff, which I am liking. Liking. Nice artwork as you walk along. More aloe vera for the skin. Okay. I just couldn't help myself. I couldn't let the good music go to waste. It It was just a big vibe. Join me. Come on, up. Join me. Let's do this. Live music, a seaside like this, and a nice sunny weather. Oh, it's a recipe for big vibes, so I couldn't help myself. Anyway, let the walk continue. Have a shower station. About 15 minutes walk and you get to a sandy beach, which is nice for those who love the beach life. Now is our holiday signature. Yeah, after a long walk, sunny day, great dance moves, we deserve an ice cream. Cheers! So we managed to get to this point. My skin is boiling. Probably it's up to 28 degrees now, if not more. What do you think? Yeah, I'm sure it's up to 28 degrees. So I needed the shade. So we've just got some ice cream and chillaxing in this nice shaded area, which is nice. Intermittently, you have shaded areas like this where you can sit and relax. It's a nice backdrop of garden. Others are there as well. And you still have a good view. Still the lovely Aida Cosmo, the beach. So views always, and there's still a walk right up there which we'll be doing. I can still hear the live music even from this place. So vibing the music, great weather, great music, game changer. So we're done sitting, one of the sitting areas where we'll continue our walk after a dose of ice cream. Aloe vera is in surplusity here. Oh my god, the sun is plenty. Dear. Staircase there, however, we are attracted by that wall. So let's go see what it looks like. Really nice garden. And it's wheelchair accessible. See? That's the thing. All the way we've come is very wheelchair accessible. The views just keeps getting better and better. Other street. I'm going up here. Two steps, so you make a choice in life, the big or the small. So it's busy, so oh wow, this is a good view, excellent view of everything. I know, I think I will take a photo here. Oh, it gives you an absolutely bang-on view. Attempting to head inland now to find some souvenirs. So far we've made it from there Not sure. We are our own self-guide. Not sure where we're heading towards, but just assume I'm seeing people with bags. So I assume they are coming from a shopping center. Still going. Hot steps to burn off our ice cream. Yay! We made it. Oh, mushrooms. So, yeah. With the right words. So, big difference. I like that bag. So, it's a big shopping center. Really massive. But it's a fly cruise, so I am worried that if I start shopping, I will have an excess luggage, which I don't want to. When it's a cruise only, where you embark and disembark just cruising, then you can get the whole superstore because it will be taken by the cruise ship. Orange juice for me. Fresh orange juice. So out again from the shopping mall, and we want to see. Honestly, we were looking for a bit more from Fuerteventura apart from the seafront or the promenade by the seaside, which was all full of life and vibe. After that, every other place the roads looked a bit quieter until we got to this massive shopping mall. But I particularly was not keen in buying a lot because it was a fly cruise. The streets were a bit deserted and quiet. I'm not sure, but even finding a place for souvenir was a bit of challenge. After much walking around the relatively quiet town, we finally found a small shop where we bought our souvenir and headed straight back to the cruise ship so we don't become peer runners. So, I think we've had enough getting ready to get back in. So back to basics. Hiya. It's that time. I see the pilot is sneaking in. Just like plotting time on arrival, it's nearly time for sail away, and you can see the pilot is back, climbing in on board to guide the massive cruise ship safely away from the port into open waters. And I think the pilot's work is done now, and it's sail away time. Bye, Fuerteventura. Away we go. Bye bye. See you next time. So that's it. Barely seeing Fuerteventura. Completely gone out of sight. Except this lovely sunset. Hi. So yeah, Fuerteventura is completely out of sight now. It's dinner time, 6:30. So all ready, and I'm going. It's our last dinner on this cruise ship before we finally say bye bye. Tomorrow morning we'll be arriving Tenerife, and from Tenerife we'll be flying back to Gatwick, London. So yeah, it's time to say goodbye to our newfound friends. So I'm good to go. Let's go have some dinner. Nicely adorned. Hopefully we can get here. Please, somebody tell me the drum beats that I'm hearing. Because I'm not sure which drum beats I'm hearing. Alright, time to go. It's exciting. Holiday is good. Let's just go have dinner after a beautiful day out. Again. Thank you.
I'm going to be looking for this.
Oh, best table companion ever. Thank you, Liz. Thank you, John. Thank you for all my table companions I've had on the cruise. Very understanding. The lights are not very good, so sorry about that. Yeah, there was 3 of us left on the table. Eva was tired from the days walking around, so was chilling out. And the other couple, I believe they had specialty meal going on, but we had a nice time. Apparently on Azura P&O, on the last night of cruise, usually have a parade of the catering staff. You were given information on how much eggs that has been consumed during this cruise, how much food, breakdown of food that has been consumed during this cruise ship, and then you have the march around. As you can see far up there, we're a little bit off. Yeah, that's them waving bye-bye, and we appreciating them for keeping us well fed and watered throughout the cruise. Oh my god, this is looking good. It's good business.
Hello,
Hi.
I'm John. This is Lynn, and we're aboard the Azura P&O liner out in the Canary Islands.
Yeah. So they have been amazing companion at the table. Yeah, cheers. So it's nice to meet them.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers. Cheers.
We've enjoyed a lovely meal here on the P&O liner Azura in the Canary Islands.
Following a beautiful farewell meal at the main dining, we headed out here to Manhattan, I believe, yeah, for a nice time. And I also had company, which you get to meet.
We think you're all going to know, so we thought we'd get a little bit of audience participation going. It's just a bit of clapping, don't worry, it's nothing too strenuous, but we thought everyone's going to know this one, so we'll do the chorus first before we strike up with this lovely band, and you just start singing and clapping along as soon as you know it. Can you do that for me? Yeah. Wonderful, wonderful. Goes like this. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more. Will I play the wild rover? No, never, no more. That's right, this is the Wild Rover. Let's be having you.
After a nice time with Corey at the Manhattans, I made my way to the main theater where I caught up with Eva, and we were thoroughly entertained by the Herbs. Go watch them if you ever meet them on the cruise or even on ground. It was a beautiful night, but then it's time to go. Not the favorite time during a cruise travel. No, not the checkout night. Watch out for the next video. It will contain the full details and experience of our checking out or disembarkation on P&O Azura, the end of our Canary Island cruise holiday. Aww. You see, this is a sign. Even the pool was not happy that our holiday is ending. Anyway, if you're not familiar, this shows that the sea out there is rocky. So on our last night of cruise, we had a bit of a rock and roll heading back to Tenerife. He didn't spoil the sleep because he made it even more cozier. And as I walk back to my cabin, this is what a pre-disembarkation night looks like just before midnight on a cruise ship. All suitcases are ready to go, and it's time to say good night. I will see you in my next video. Remember, life is for living, for love, and laughter.